Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all September weight loss diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 3 weeks very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed the monthly diet plans and they were able to see a great weight loss happening along with a great inch loss as well. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with September diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 3 weeks very easily. Starting with our early morning drink. Early morning drink for this month we'll be having, you can pick any of the one option which I'll be giving you. The first option is lemon, turmeric and black pepper powder. All you have to do is simply squeeze half a lemon to 1 glass of lukewarm water, add pinch of haldi powder, or you can use the grated fresh haldi as well as I'm using here. Along with that, I'll be adding some black pepper to activate the haldi or curcumin in the turmeric, and simply have it as your anti-inflammatory early morning drink. Works amazingly well for hair benefits, health benefits, weight loss benefits, and of course to detoxify you in the morning itself. Second option is, if you cannot have this and you want something quick to have, prepare apple cinnamon water 1 day prior or overnight, soak it and have it for your early morning drink. This detox water has shown amazing results for weight loss and to suppress your appetite as well, because cinnamon works as a natural fat cutter and helps you reduce your sugar cravings as well. So do try out either of these waters for your early morning drink, and let's proceed towards our breakfast options for September weight loss diet plan. The first option for September weight loss diet plan for breakfast would be zucchini oats sheila. The complete recipe of my zucchini oats sheila is already up on my channel. You can replace zucchini with either ghee or bell peppers as well. I'm using here some besan flour along with some oats flour, adding grated ginger as well to it. At the same time, zucchini grated. At the same time, we'll be adding here the regular spices of your own choice, whatever you like it. I'm adding green chilies also. You can skip it as per your own spice levels. Adding water for the consistency to batter it up, and your batter for the oats zucchini chila is ready. Take a non-stick pan here. Just simply spread some ghee over it, and at the same time, the batter that you have prepared for the zucchini oats chila. Spread equally, and your tasty and healthy chilas are ready. They are very anti-inflammatory in nature because zucchini definitely provides weight loss benefits and fiber intake as well. So do try out this recipe for your breakfast. You can have it along with mint chutney or coconut chutney as per your own choice. Second option for breakfast for you would be to have, either you can have a vegetable club sandwich or you can simply have grilled sandwich as well. I've shared the complete recipe of how I prepare my vegetable club sandwiches, which is again high in protein, great for fiber intake and tastes super yummy as well, and very convenient for early mornings as well. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume simple and homemade buttermilk or lassi or chas without any salt or sugar to it. Simply you can season it up with some roasted black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, and you can even add some mint leaves as I am doing it here. You can add ice to make it chilled. Second option for mid-morning snack would be to consume one fresh seasonal fruit of your own choice. Preferred approximately 200 grams of fruit. You can add guava to it, apple or banana, or you can have whatever seasonal fruit is available at your place. And now we'll proceed towards our lunch options for September weight loss diet plan, for which I'll be giving you 2 to 3 options. You can twist and turn and have it every single week passing by, and let me know how you felt about these options for your lunch. They are very specific to weight loss, and trust me, my clients have it every single day and love having it. The first option is my personal favorite paneer biryani. Complete recipe of paneer biryani is already shared on our channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, and trust me, the protein level is super high. You don't need any brown rice for this. You can always prepare it with white rice as well. Prefer more of paneer and vegetables and less of the rice to it. Simply just seasoning it up with the normal biryani masala and you're good to go to have your paneer biryani. Do check out the complete recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. You can enjoy it with some curd or raita or salad, and you're good to go to have your tasty homemade paneer biryani. Second option for you would be to consume bowl of paneer bhurji with 2 toasts. As per your own choice, you can have 2 toasts or you can have 1 oats roti as well. The complete recipe of healthy and weight loss oriented paneer bhurji is already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super tasty and super convenient to prepare as well. Protein levels for lunch is always high for us. You can always replace your paneer with soya as well, or you can even replace it with chicken as well if you like it. So you can have it along with 2 toasts or 1 oats roti and plus salad and curd is mandatory. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume black coffee or black tea or peppermint tea or green tea as per your own taste. No sugar to any kind of tea is added into this, and you can have it along with 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 teaspoon of sunflower seeds. Or you can even have a seed mix like this, which is 30 grams of protein, and trust me, the level of fiber in it is absolutely wonderful. So you can try out this, or you can have normal soaked nuts as well. Proceeding towards our dinner option for this diet plan would be, I'll be giving you 3 options. It has to be convenient, healthy, and trust me, weight loss oriented. We do need to see the weight loss next morning on the scale. So first option for you would be to have broccoli and pineapple stir fry. I love giving this to my clients who can have it, and trust me, the recipe is super simple. All you have to do is simply chop broccoli and pineapple, boil the broccoli if possible, or steam it. At the same time, in an air fryer, I'll be adding this on the plate. At the same time, seasoning it up with some olive oil, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder you can add, chili flakes you can add whatever is possible for you, and simply air frying it for 4 to 5 minutes, and you're good to go to have your crispy and tasty and yummy broccoli stir fry. Pineapple acts as a natural fat cutter, so do try out for this for dinner and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Second option for you would be, if you cannot have this, then the best option for you is you can have paneer tikka also. I've prepared paneer tikka in air fryer also. I have prepared it in a grill pan also. Choose your comfortable option, and trust me, paneer tikka you can always replace it with soya tikka also or chicken tikka as per your own choice, and it tastes super yummy and is keto friendly as you can use vegetables to it as bell peppers, broccoli, onion, and grate all together, and trust me, it tastes super yummy as well. Third option is for all of those who want to have something fulfilling and cannot rely on just no carb diet. So you can have my personal favorite no bread sandwich recipe. I've already shared the complete recipe in which I'm using here the besan batter. You can always use the suji batter in place of it as well. Filling it up with some paneer stuffing, and trust me, this sandwich is no less than any tasty bread sandwiches. So do try out these options and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post our dinner. For this, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is, as usual, loved by all of my clients, chamomile tea. The results have been tremendously amazing. They feel so motivated to wake up in the morning to check their weights, and at the same time, the results for insomnia, not having good sleep throughout the night, have really improved a lot. So do try out chamomile tea for bedtime drink option. The second option is you can have ajwain or jeera water. It helps with postpartum weight loss, thyroid, PCOD, and PCOS. At the same time, reduces the water retention and swelling in your body as well. So do try out these options for your bedtime drink. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. And for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or click on the link given in the description box below to directly reach to me out on WhatsApp. You can also directly WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about these recipes, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.